Earlier we had learned circle avatar. Now we will learn about text styling and adding custom fonts. Add text widget under circle avatar. Text. Let's give the name. OK, name is displayed. Now we can increase the font size of the text. Style text style. Font size 40. Font weight. Font weight. Bold. OK. Let's see how to add a custom font. Fonts.google.com. Open the site. There are many fonts that can be used for free. I'm doing a font search here called Cookie. Click on it to open it. After that, let us download the font. This is the Cookie font. This is a TTF file. Now we can create a directory just like we added the image. Directory name fonts. Go to the directory location and open it. Copy the font we downloaded there. Now go to pubspec.yaml file. There is a comment on how to add a font. Copy only this part. Now remove comment. Indentation is important. Fonts can be added at the same level as the assets added. It must be 2 characters apart from Flutter. Arrange like this. Font's family name is Cookie. Give it here. In Asset. Enter the font path complete there. Fonts/cookie regular.ttf. Click Pub Get. Now on to the main.dart. Font family. Give the cookie. Okay, the font has changed.